Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic affecting millions worldwide: migraine headaches. If you or someone you know suffers from these debilitating episodes, you understand how crucial it is to find effective relief. In this video, we'll explore the best supplements that can help reduce the frequency and intensity of migraines, giving you the tools you need to reclaim your life. Understanding migraine triggers is essential for effective management. Migraines can be triggered by various factors, including stress, certain foods, hormonal changes, and even environmental conditions. By identifying your triggers, you can take proactive steps to minimize their impact. This knowledge empowers you and enhances the effectiveness of your treatment plan. Throughout this video, we promise to provide practical steps and scientifically backed recommendations for supplements that have shown promise in alleviating migraine symptoms. From magnesium and riboflavin to coenzyme Q10 and butterbur, we'll break down how these supplements work and how they can fit into your daily routine. So, whether you're seeking to reduce the frequency of your migraines or looking for ways to manage them more effectively, you're in the right place. Stick around as we guide you through the best options available, ensuring you leave with actionable insights that can make a real difference in your life. Let's get started on your journey to migraine relief. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding migraines. Migraines are more than just a bad headache. They are a neurological condition that can significantly impact a person's quality of life. Unlike regular headaches, which may cause mild to moderate discomfort, migraines are often characterized by intense, throbbing pain lasting anywhere from a few hours to several days. This pain typically occurs on one side of the head and can be accompanied by other symptoms. The prevalence of migraines is staggering. They affect approximately 12% of the global population, with women 3 times more likely to experience them than men. For many, migraines can disrupt daily activities, making working, socializing, or even performing basic tasks challenging. The impact of migraines extends beyond the individual, affecting families, workplaces, and healthcare systems due to missed days and decreased productivity. Common symptoms of migraines include severe, pulsating pain, often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and sound. Some individuals may also experience aura, which consists of visual disturbances such as flashing lights or blind spots before the headache begins. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for identifying whether you suffer from migraines, as early recognition can lead to more effective management strategies. This section aims to equip you with the knowledge to differentiate migraines from regular headaches and recognize their symptoms. By understanding what migraines are and how they manifest, you can take the first steps toward finding relief and improving your overall well-being. Step 1. Identify triggers. The first step in managing migraines effectively is identifying triggers. Understanding what sets off your migraines can empower you to take control of your condition. One of the most effective ways to pinpoint these triggers is by keeping a migraine diary. In this diary, you can log the dates and times of your migraines and details about your activities, diet, stress levels, and any environmental factors present. Over time, you may notice patterns that can help you identify specific triggers. Common migraine triggers include stress, certain foods, hormonal changes, and environmental factors like bright lights or strong smells. Stress is often cited as a significant trigger, as it can lead to muscle tension and changes in brain chemistry. Dietary triggers can vary widely from person to person, but common culprits include aged cheeses, processed meats, caffeine, and alcohol. Additionally, changes in weather or exposure to strong odors can provoke migraines in some individuals. Recognizing your patterns is crucial for effective management. You can take proactive steps to avoid triggers by understanding which triggers are relevant. For instance, if you notice that stress is a common trigger, incorporating relaxation techniques such as yoga or meditation into your routine may help. Similarly, if certain foods consistently lead to migraines, you can adjust your diet accordingly. In summary, identifying your migraine triggers through a diary and recognizing individual patterns is a vital step toward managing your migraines and improving your overall quality of life. Step 2. Lifestyle modifications. Certain lifestyle modifications can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of migraines. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is one of the most significant changes you can implement. Aim for consistent sleep and wake times, as irregular sleep patterns can trigger migraines. Additionally, staying well hydrated is crucial. Dehydration is a common trigger, so make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Regular exercise is another critical component in managing migraines. Physical activity helps reduce stress and tension, known triggers for many individuals. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can be beneficial. However, be mindful of not overexerting yourself, as intense workouts can sometimes lead to migraines. Incorporating stress management techniques into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Practices such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help you manage stress levels effectively. Finding time for relaxation and self-care is essential in preventing migraines. Lastly, focusing on a balanced diet can positively impact migraine frequency. Foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains, have been shown to help reduce migraine occurrences. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts also possess anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit migraine sufferers. By making these lifestyle modifications, prioritizing sleep, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, managing stress, and eating a balanced diet, you can take proactive steps toward reducing the frequency of your migraines and enhancing your overall well-being. Step 3. Natural remedies. When it comes to alleviating migraine symptoms, many people turn to natural remedies that can provide relief without the side effects often associated with medications. One popular option is the use of essential oils. Peppermint oil, for instance, has been shown to help reduce headache pain when applied topically to the temples. Its cooling effect can soothe tension and promote relaxation. Lavender oil is another excellent choice. Its calming aroma can help alleviate stress and anxiety, common migraine triggers. Simply inhaling lavender or using it in a diffuser can create a peaceful environment conducive to relief. Acupuncture is another natural remedy that has gained popularity for migraine management. This traditional Chinese medicine technique involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to promote energy flow and reduce pain. Many individuals report significant improvements in their migraine frequency and intensity after regular acupuncture sessions. Additionally, relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided imagery can help calm the mind and body, reducing the likelihood of a migraine onset. Herbal supplements are also worth exploring. Feverfew has been used for centuries to prevent migraines and may help reduce their frequency. Butterbur is another herbal option that has shown promise in clinical studies for migraine prevention. However, consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement is essential, especially if taking other medications. Incorporating these natural remedies into your routine can provide additional support in managing migraine symptoms, helping you find a holistic approach to relief. Step 4. Best supplements for headaches. Certain supplements have gained recognition for their potential effectiveness in reducing the frequency and severity of headaches. One of the most well-researched options is magnesium. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency may be linked to migraines, and supplementation can help prevent them. A daily dose of magnesium can help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, making it a valuable addition to your migraine management plan. Another supplement worth considering is riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2. Research indicates that riboflavin can significantly decrease the frequency of migraines in some individuals. It is believed to work by enhancing mitochondrial energy production, which may help reduce the occurrence of migraine attacks. A typical dosage for migraine prevention is around 400 mg per day, and many people find it beneficial. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, is another promising supplement for migraine sufferers. This antioxidant plays a crucial role in energy production within cells and has been shown in studies to reduce the frequency of migraines. A daily dose of 100 mg to 300 mg may be effective for some individuals, providing a natural way to manage migraine symptoms. While these supplements have shown promise in scientific studies, consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen is essential. They can help determine the appropriate dosages and ensure that the supplements won't interact with any medications you may be taking. By incorporating these scientifically backed supplements into your routine, you can take proactive steps toward managing your migraines more effectively. We've explored essential steps to help reduce migraines and improve your overall quality of life. We began by discussing the importance of identifying personal triggers, which can be achieved through keeping a migraine diary. Understanding what sets off your migraines is crucial for effective management. Next, we highlighted lifestyle modifications, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and managing stress. These changes can significantly impact the frequency and severity of your migraines. We then delved into natural remedies, including essential oils like peppermint and lavender, acupuncture, and relaxation techniques. These holistic approaches can provide relief and complement your overall migraine management strategy. Finally, we presented scientifically proven supplements such as magnesium, riboflavin, and coenzyme Q10, which have shown promise in reducing migraine occurrences. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to ensure it's right for you. These 4 steps, identifying triggers, making lifestyle changes, exploring natural remedies, and considering supplements, can significantly relieve migraines. We hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about health tips and strategies for managing migraines, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from it. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health.